it's recording. Can you hear me? Oh yes, you can hear me. Sorry about that noise. My sister is here. Say hi, Abby. Hi. So today I'm going to be trying to make a legendary pet in this game. I forget the name, but I have been playing. I have no game passes for anything.
Collect all the pets.
Okay, maybe it's okay. It's called Collect All the Pets, I guess.
Or it could be called Collect All Pets.
Yeah. So we are just gonna go to my to the desert and start making money because I need to make one more rare pet to make another. Oh, we have to go over to the forest because the trees are swaying, which means there's gonna be something cool happening over here. So there could be there's going to be like a giant super crystal building right on top of me. Oops. So here it is, and they all have to destroy it, and loads of money comes out. More than enough to buy what I need to make this epic. Now, I wasn't expecting this to happen. So yeah, this is so weird that this happened as soon as I started recording. So, you guys, this was not planned at all, and I told you I had no game passes or anything. So, I don't know how this happened while I was recording, but I'm just so lucky to be on the server right now, recording, making an epic for you guys. I really actually like this game. It's really fun, and you should definitely try it out. I will say the name at the end of the video, so you guys can go and play this game when you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine, or if you don't have Roblox, that's fine. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. If you like this content, obviously. You don't have to. But near the middle of the video, I will remind you because, well, it's the middle of the video. And you can see if you like my content or not during the middle of the video. You can't when it's the start of the video. So that's why I will ask in the middle of the video. You can always unsubscribe. If you're not enjoying it, or I haven't been posting, or I quit, or anything like that, I probably won't quit for a very, very, very long time. But if I do quit, then you can unsubscribe. I won't care because, well, I'd quit. See now, yeah. Now I'm just hatching all of these eggs and seeing how much more money I will make once I get this legendary. This legendary is going to be so cool, you guys, so you make sure you get to see it in this video. I will also make a shorts video for you guys to see it. But anyway, it's time to fuse everything. Oh, and by the way, I don't fuse my dinosaurs. Would never do that. Fuse. And I'm going to fuse all these. I fuse them all when I can, by the way, if you're wondering why I'm fusing two, even though I don't have to. That's just what I do. And now I'm going to fuse all these. I actually have an extra one because of that. So yeah, I do take pictures of any time I fuse because I feel like they deserve to be seen. And you guys, this is the big moment. This is my legendary. Let's see what I get. I got a King Cobra! He is so cool, you guys. I absolutely love him. And I'm going to take him out right now. This is my King Cobra. Where is he? Here he is. So my King Cobra right here. He is so cool. I love him so, so much. If you guys want to see any of my other videos, remember to sub! Now, I am just going to play for a bit after this anyway, but I want to show you something I think is cool. So, if you guys play and you need a code, they have free codes. So, there's a code here. Where is it? Here. It's brr. So, you need to enter that in right here, right up here. If you see the tag, the blue tag. 1, 2. There's 5 ores. So if you enter that in, yeah, I've already redeemed it. You get extra money for an 30 minutes, I think it is. Maybe an hour. And I know I entered in another, like 2 other codes, but I can't remember what the 2 other codes are. And if you check in all the trees and all these houses, you will get free eggs. Just so you guys know, I just want to give you a few tips on this game as well. Just so you know. There's eggs there. I still can't figure out how to get them. If you guys know how to get them, please tell me. I know it might be like, oh, you just have to jump, but look at this. It's too high to jump. Anyway, now I'm going to leave and show you the game's name. Yeah, so it's called Collect All Pets. And they have a free code here. First code ever. So yeah, that's the free code you can also enter in. And they have a Discord. So if you want to join the Discord, you can. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.